Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get blueberries in islands. To begin your blueberry farming journey, you'll first need to visit the crop merchant. This friendly vendor, located in the main hub, sells blueberry seeds. Each seed costs 50 coins, so make sure you have enough currency. Once you have your seeds, you're ready for the next step in cultivating these delicious berries on your island. Now that you have your blueberry seeds, it's time to plant them. Find a suitable spot on your island and till the soil using a hoe. Plant each seed individually in the prepared ground. Remember, blueberries need consistent watering to thrive, so keep an eye on them. After approximately 10 minutes of growth, your blueberry bushes will be ready for harvest, yielding delicious fruit. Once your blueberry bushes have fully matured, you can harvest them. Simply walk up to a ready bush and interact with it to collect the berries. Each mature bush typically provides several blueberries, making them a very efficient crop. These berries can be sold to the crop merchant for a decent profit, or you can use them in crafting recipes to create other valuable items. To maximize your blueberry production, consider automating your farm. Sprinklers are an excellent investment, as they will automatically water your crops, saving you time and effort. Expanding your farming plots allows you to plant many more bushes, significantly increasing your yield. Additionally, using fertilizer can help speed up the growth process, ensuring a steady supply of fresh blueberries for selling or crafting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.